Tell me more about this making a coil out of 26 gauge.
So I think 1 millimeter coil is great for a drive circuit, but for a generator circuit, it's not that great. I could put a core in there and it'd be a little better, but well, I don't know. I mean, if I could find out how to like get good amp reading, but I'm not generating amps like this. There's no amps coming out of that. So I'm thinking a 26 gauge will allow for a more better voltage reading, but allow for again more current to flow through than say a 32 gauge, which is right here. I want to explain. Every time that ticks, see the power's off, completely off. Every time that ticks, the circuit closes. And when the circuit is closed, energy flows through it from beginning to end. So it allows for the electricity stored in the capacitors to come out at a pulsed rate, which prolongs the spinability. Yeah, it would spin for a while without all this, but it spins longer because it's there. Awesome.